If you need to remove a payment method from your Shopify account, follow these straightforward steps to ensure a smooth process. Step 1. Log into your Shopify account. Access your Shopify store by entering your credentials on the Shopify login page. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to manage payment settings. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Once logged in, locate the Settings option at the bottom left corner of your Shopify admin dashboard. Click on it to open the Settings menu. Step 3. Select Payment Providers. In the Settings menu, find and click on Payment Providers. This section contains all the payment methods currently integrated with your store. Step 4. Manage your payment methods. Under the Payment Providers section, you will see a list of active payment methods. Identify the payment method you wish to remove and click on the Manage button next to it. Step 5. Remove the payment method. Follow the prompts to remove the selected payment method. This may include confirming your decision or entering additional information. Once completed, ensure that the payment method is no longer listed. After following these steps, you should have successfully removed the payment method from your Shopify account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Shopify support for assistance.